This is the 2-lamp desk lamp from the folks at Oilers. It's got a really intricate base here, as well as a shade. It's really sleek, and it'll be able to modernize any room here in no time. What's nice is the build of the lamp actually glows. It's gonna provide you that high-class look. All right, once you got it out of the box here, underneath the cardboard is gonna be all of your accessories, obviously, to install it, including the bulbs here. Lampshade bases is also here as well. Plugs and all that good stuff. My favorite part here is on the base, you also have USB Type-C, as well as really sleek, clicky buttons to turn on and off your device. With that said, last step is to be able to assemble it here. Your lampshade is wrapped around the base here, so you're gonna need to be careful when you're taking it off here not to puncture your lampshade. Easiest to pull it from the top. Be careful here of the base. That's so sleek. It's got that ceramic look here, and it's got a bulb inside to be able to glow at your own leisure. You've got 2 USB ports here, which is really great to be able to plug your phone in. And then you have this really sleek button here to press to turn it on and off. On the inside, as you can see, that column is an LED light that's gonna light up here if you wanted to have the ambient light. Okay, let's go ahead now and install the lampshade first. It's coiled up. You're gonna be unrolling it here, and you're gonna be using these wire pins here as foundation base. It's pretty easy, straightforward. The hardest part is just getting the plastic wrap off. Don't use a knife here because you don't want to poke a hole in it. Once it's coiled out, you're gonna see here that you've got these hooks where it's going to bind here on the foundation. To get your stuff started here, you're gonna be using the base and kind of just placing it on one of these hooks here and then wrapping it as you go to give yourself that foundation. You're gonna kind of roll it as you keep going, and it'll naturally just bend to the diameter of the shade. And then lastly here, it actually Velcros shut together, but we'll wait till we get the base part on there as well. Now that we're placing the top piece on, make sure that you have it facing inward, and then going all the way around here to create that cylindrical look. Once you get to the bottom here, in the end, you're gonna be wrapping the bottom piece here and then Velcroing it tight. Here's what your lampshade's gonna look like when it's all set. Next stage is affixing here the lamp itself to the base. You're gonna go ahead and screw it on tight. Pretty straightforward to do so. Next part is the structure. This is pretty straightforward here as well. Go ahead and screw off the top first. And then you're going to be squeezing this tight here to hold the lamp with the bulbs. Squeeze them tight, pull them up. There we go. Put the caps on there. And now we're ready. This is a 3000 Kelvin bulb. Fits right there. The max wattage is 60 watts. Go ahead and put your shade on there. And then tighten that tight. All right, there it is, all installed here. We're gonna go ahead and place our USB in first. This is gonna show you here that you can have a device that's charging via USB. As you can see, you turn on the unit by pressing the button here. The base lights up, which is really cool. You can press it again for a second setting there, a third. If you wanna light the shade here, it's got the twist knob here to give you that maximum look here. That's great. Look how awesome that looks on your desk. You place it on a nightstand. It's great for multifunctional, for charging and whatnot. And it also has this really cool vibe as it lights the entire fixture there. There we have it, both of them all side by side. It's really nice here. If you wanted to get this really cool look, you can go ahead and go the brightest. This side is the brightest as well, showing you here that this is an awesome way to be able to level up your desk, have that awesome utility here for charging your devices here if you need.